The latest U.S. Drought Monitor shows only slight changes of moisture conditions in Nebraska over the last week. The monitor is a product of the National Drought Mitigation Center, located at the University of Nebraska-Lincoln. Released weekly, national, regional, and state-level maps indicate the severity of dry conditions and impact federal relief efforts due to those circumstances. While authors of the monitor use hard data to determine changes, they also factor in information from local areas. Kelly Smith from the National Drought Mitigation Center explains how farmers, ranchers, and others can submit photos to help the center get a better outlook of conditions.
Each week, Drought Monitor authors look at a lot of data to know where it has and hasn't rained, but the data doesn't tell the whole story. So the photos help us understand what people are actually experiencing and seeing on the ground. For example, some parts of the country, like the plains in the west, would typically look browner than the south and the east, where you expect it to look greener at more times of year. So the photos help us understand those differences better. They can submit photos to the Drought Impact Reporter. That's droughtreporter.unl.edu. There's a form on that website that allows them to upload photos. If that doesn't work very well for them, they can also send email to dirinfo@unl.edu. The very easiest option might be for people to tweet, though, using the hashtag Drought17. That's the word drought and the numbers 1 and 7. Ideally, we would like people to submit seasonally, once a season or even once a month, possibly weekly if conditions are really extreme. The advantage of submitting over time is that it gives us a basis for comparison. So when someone says it's really dry, it's really brown, we can compare that to what they think it should look like, and that makes a very strong case.